everyone. Welcome back to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Narelle. In our previous videos, we've discussed what social media is and the different platforms available on social media. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic called the benefits of social media. Now, whether you're an individual looking to connect with family, friends, and loved ones, or you're a business aiming at new customers, social media has a wealth of opportunities and advantages. So let's dive into the benefits of social media together, shall we? First and foremost, social media helps us connect with others. In our busy lives, it is hard to maintain personal relationships, but social media bridges that gap. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram help us to keep in touch with our family and friends, no matter what the distance is between us. You can share updates and photos and life events, making it feel like you're right there with them, even if you are thousands of miles apart. But it doesn't have to stop with personal connections. Social media is also a powerful tool for networking. For professionals, platforms like LinkedIn provide opportunities to connect with colleagues and professionals, industry leaders, and potential employers. You can join groups related to your industry and participate in discussions and even find mentorship opportunities. It's all about building relationships that can help you grow personally and professionally. Now, let's talk about how social media can benefit businesses. In today's digital age, having an online presence is crucial for brand awareness and marketing. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter provide businesses with a space to showcase their products and services. With engaging content, businesses can reach a wider audience and interact directly with their customers. This direct line of communication allows for real FaceTime, feedback, and engagement, which is invaluable for building customer-related loyalties. Additionally, targeted advertising on these platforms, like Facebook and Instagram, enables businesses to reach specific demographics based on interests, behaviors, and locations. This means that you can tailor your marketing efforts to reach the people most likely to be interested in your offers, maximizing your return on investment. Finally, social media is a fantastic way to access information. It's a hub for news, trends, and community building. From breaking news to the latest trends in your favorite hobbies, social media keeps you informed about what's happening in the world around you. Platforms like Twitter and Reddit are particularly useful for staying updated on real-time events and discussions. Moreover, social media fosters community building. Whether you're interested in a specific cause or profession, there are countless groups and forums where you can connect with others who share your passions. The sense of community can provide support, inspiration, and valuable insights from like-minded individuals. So there you have it, my friends. The benefits of social media are vast and varied. From connecting with family, friends, and loved ones, and building professional relationships, to promoting businesses and accessing a wealth of information, social media has become an integral and important part of our everyday lives. In our next tutorial, we're going to discuss how to get started with social media including tips for creating engaging profiles and engaging with others. If you found this video helpful, my friends, please like and subscribe to Tech Savvy Tutorials with Narelle. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on the new tutorials that I'm creating just for you. Until next time, my friends, keep learning and practice, practice, practice. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.